Now this is a classic department store bike. It's got the one-piece crank, and it's got the kind of diagonal looking dropouts. I wasn't paying attention and I accidentally rode over something. Look at the way the handlebars are set up. I've actually seen this before on other bikes. This is a little different. It's kind of it puts some strain on the wrists. I guess you can do it this way. The front one more dangerous. Now the shock fork actually still works. Now this thing actually does have grip shifts. Oh, this grip shift is actually splitting. Grip is, so I don't know about that one. I got the handlebars set up like normal. It's much easier to use the brakes now.